Is it still recording? Was it recording before? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my Boxy Charm this month. So if you want to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay, so now we're going in with the primer. I'm going to use that to prime the eyelids. Gonna use this brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, okay. The primer really tacky. Oh wow. Interesting. It's really tacky. I'm just tapping it in with my blending brush. You can use anything. You can use your finger, you can use a different brush, you can use a beauty sponge. It is super tacky, like, yeah. Okay, so it says it's a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pull dimension. It's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. That's interesting. It also says it works as a glitter glue. Mix with your favorite concealer to customize the primer shades. This is really interesting. I'll definitely be trying this out again. Very interesting. Oh, and this retails for $15. And then I also got this Natasha Denona palette. This is called the Peak palette. It's a 5-pan palette. It's gorgeous. It's so pretty. Y'all know we love the warm tones over here. So it says that this palette retains for $40. I don't have to get into detail with Natasha Denona. Y'all already know her eyeshadows are the best eyeshadows on the market right now. Well, one of the best eyeshadows. So yeah, let's get into it. First, we're gonna go in with Shine. Is it Shine? I don't understand how to. Yeah, this one right here. I think it's called Shine. It's just a white one. We're gonna lay that down first onto the eyeshadow primer. This way the eyeshadows don't skip, because I find like when you do a really tacky base, the eyeshadows just skip. So now I'm gonna actually switch brushes and I'm gonna go in with this one from Morphe. It doesn't have a number or anything, but you can use any blending brush. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Jasper. I believe it's Jasper. It's this one right here. I'm gonna put that in my crease. You see what I mean? You see that pigmentation? Oh, you see that pigmentation? That's what we like. But you're seeing how it's skipping a little bit right here. We don't like that. We don't like that. It's okay. I'm gonna go in with this brown shade right here. This one is called Thorn, and I'm gonna take that on a eyeshadow brush actually. Actually, I'll just use the same brush that I was using, and I'm gonna pack that on my lid. And then I'm gonna blend it out in the crease, okay? We're gonna go back in with the same brown shade that's called Jasper. We're gonna blend those two together in the crease. So now on the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with that brown shade once more. Can I speak? Gosh. And again, that's in the shade Thorn. I'm gonna blend out that eyeliner. So now I'm gonna take the orange shade, which is called Amahara. It's this one right here. Is it? No. Yeah, it's this orange one right here. I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line to lightly smoke out that brown shade. And now for the inner tear duct, I'm gonna take the only shimmery shade that is in the palette, and it's called Aya. It's this one right here. Perfect. And I also got in my box this month this Milk Makeup Mascara. It's a waterproof mascara, and this retails for $24. It says it's a waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp derived cannabis seed oil. Am I recording? Yeah. And this is what it looks like. The packaging is really heavy. First I'm gonna go in and curl my lashes, because y'all know that's what we do over here. Hold please, let me find my eyelash glue. Alright. Oh, it's a nice brush. I like that brush. Usually when I do mascara, I go in with my Lancome Silk Booster. It's an eyelash primer. But let's really see what this Milk Makeup stated. Let's see. It's very interesting. Like, I like the formula. It's not really clumpy, but this is very lengthening. Like you can tell, it's very lengthening. but I feel like it's just not really doing much for me. This is my second coat. It is really nice. I just feel like you have to really take your time and build it up. Okay, so now the last thing that I got, actually no, this is not the last thing. This is the second to last thing. This is the Half Caked Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. And it says this lip fondant liquid lipstick goes on with a feather-like texture and dries completely matte. It says for best wear, make sure lips are exfoliated and hydrated before applying. And this retails for $32. Let me show you all the shades. So these are the shades right here. Y'all already know these are completely out of my comfort zone, besides maybe this one. My hands are shiny because I didn't wash my hands from doing my base. Sorry. But I got them in the shade Theme Song, which is the light one. I got Bordeaux. I don't know. It's this one right here. It's in a reddish one. And then I got Low Key, which is more like a mauvey tone, I want to say. But yeah, let's try these out. I'm gonna try the nude one last, of course. Oh, good. Yeah. So actually, let's try the mauve one first. We're gonna go in with the Low Key. This one is Low Key. It actually doesn't look mauve. It looks red. I don't know how to describe this color now. But yeah, it's nice. It feels really nice on. Yeah. And now I'm gonna switch. And the BRB. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with Bordeaux, and this is the red one. The applicator also is really nice. It makes it really easy to apply. So this one is in the shade 82 Bordeaux, and I can be pronouncing that wrong. But yeah, she cute. Okay, and let's try the last one. It's called Theme Song. So let's take this off. And now we're gonna go in with the last one, which is called Theme Song. Okay, so the last thing that I got in my Boxy Charm this month is the Dr.Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner. It says this toner is packed with an antioxidant-rich blend of green tea and white tea to shield your skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. It says it's formulated with red rose and lotus flower extract to tone, soothe, and purify, leaving skin feeling soft, hydrated, and revitalized. And I did use this before I applied my foundation. I've actually been using this for the last couple of days, and I really like it. It also says that this is a new launch, and it retails for $40. And the last thing that I got in my box, you guys. This is the final look. It's just a basic brown smoky eye. Yeah. Let me go do something with my hair. BRB. Okay, you guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really enjoy sharing what I got in my Boxycharm with you guys. So yeah, if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to join the vibes. Bye, guys. What the ass? I cannot deal.